time to turn those dull cells into rock stars. Open your Excel document. Click and drag the mouse to select the data in the sheet. Make sure that the Home tab is selected, then click on the Conditional Formatting. Click on the New Rule from the drop-down menu list. Select a rule type, like here, I have selected the format all cells based on their values. Click on the OK button at the bottom. This will do color formatting of your data based on their values. Select your data again, and click on the Conditional Formatting option in the Home ribbon. Click on the New Rule. This time, I am selecting 3 color scale from the format style. By selecting 3 color scale, this will do color format for lowest value, percentile, and highest value. Click on the OK button. Click on the Apply button and then click on the OK button. Similarly, you can try the other options of conditional formatting. Wasn't that helpful? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.